You never see it coming. One moment, you are stopped at a red light, and the next, a massive semi-truck slams into your vehicle. The impact is sudden, terrifying, and life-changing. This is exactly what happened to a mother and daughter who were rear-ended while waiting at a light. The crash left them with herniated discs and months of medical treatment. Fortunately, with the help of a skilled semi-truck accident attorney, they were able to secure a $1,400,000 semi-truck accident settlement covering medical expenses, lost income, and the disruption to their daily lives. Accidents like these are rarely random. Trucking companies are often under pressure to meet deadlines and maximize profits, which can put everyone on the road at risk. According to the National Highway Safety Administration, NHTSA, in 2020 there were 4,965 fatalities and an estimated 146,930 injuries in crashes involving large trucks. 27% of fatal large truck crashes occurred on interstates, 55% in rural areas, and only 5% in work zones. In Ohio alone, 145 of 1,766 fatal crashes involved a large truck. Here are the top 5 reasons these accidents occur. 1. Truck driver error. Truck drivers have a legal duty to operate responsibly. Distracted driving, fatigue, speeding, using cell phones, or driving under the influence are major contributors to preventable accidents. 2. Equipment failure. Trucking companies must maintain their vehicles to ensure safe operation. Faulty brakes, tires, or other mechanical issues can lead to serious accidents. If the failure could have been prevented, the trucking company may be held liable in a semi-truck accident lawsuit. 3. Improper cargo or trailer loading. Federal law requires cargo to be secured and balanced properly. Shifting loads can block the driver's view or destabilize the truck, increasing the risk of crashes. 4. Hazardous weather conditions. Rain, snow, fog, ice, and sun glare can make driving a large truck extremely dangerous. Drivers are required to reduce speed, adjust habits, or stop entirely if conditions are unsafe. 5. Inexperienced truck drivers. Driving a semi-truck takes skill and training. Due to shortages, some companies risk sending undertrained drivers onto the road, creating preventable safety hazards. Being aware of these risks is the first step in staying safe. Taking proactive measures on the road can greatly reduce your chances of being involved in a semi-truck accident. Tips to stay safe on the road. Keep your distance from large trucks as they need extra space to stop and turn safely. Avoid their blind spots, including areas 20 feet in front, 30 feet behind, and 2 lanes on the right. When passing, do so on the left and return to your lane only when you can see the truck clearly in your rearview mirror. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Pay attention to the road, anticipate weather conditions, signal clearly, merge cautiously, and stay calm behind the wheel. If you are involved in a crash, consulting a semi-truck accident attorney can protect your rights. They can help you file a semi-truck accident claim, negotiate with insurance companies, and secure semi-truck accident compensation for medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering. Your attorney can guide you through a semi-truck accident lawsuit or settlement, ensuring the trucking company is held accountable. Working with a knowledgeable semi-truck accident attorney early can make the entire legal process smoother and increase your chances of a fair outcome. The story of the mother and daughter demonstrates the importance of having an experienced semi-truck accident attorney on your side. Their guidance can make all the difference in achieving a fair semi-truck accident settlement and helping you recover physically and financially after a devastating accident. Visit rosenfeldinjurylaw.com for more information and free case review.